It is TV, powered by World Sports Betting. It is times.co.za. Mamelodi Sundowns are the new CAF Champions League winners for this current season, CAF 2025-2026. Indeed, year 2026 is their year 2016. No, man. Yeah, because okay, yeah. Okay,
You want to do it again?
yeah. Okay.
3, 2, 1.
It is TV, powered by World Sports Betting. It is times.co.za. Mamelodi Sundowns are the new CAF Champions League winners for this current season, CAF 2025-2026. Indeed, Unyaka 2026 is the year 2016. The last time they won this competition was way back in 2016. But Chile Klanigwe season, what Julian Dipale Pans, which Unyaka, Mamelodi Sundowns will be the new CAF Champions League winners. And Yenzegil. Right now, Satan Jays from Mamelodi Sundowns 2 on aggregate. AS FAR Rabat 1. I've seen him happy. 2016 I've seen him happy, but asake nambona unabeka ngaka. Njenga 2026 they win the CAF Champions League. He's won so many trophies. I've seen him winning the trophies. He Betway Premiership. But namhlanje ndizange ndambone nje. Mhlobam ucelebrate ngaphandle lokucelebrate ngaphakathi.
Mngana munjani?
I just hope ke ucelebrate enough unganihluphe emotweni siyami nje kahle.
Mngana munjani? No, iChamp
No,
iChamp.
I should be asking. No, I mean, I don't want to make this about myself. I mean, isuku lakho namhlanje mhlobam.
But iChamp ikhuluma neChamp.
No,
Angisho
mhlobam.
ngitshelile ngathi Christmas beyizolo.
Yeah, namhlanje New Year.
New Year.
Yes.
So
Let's talk about New Year, Bobzini.
Yeah.
Namhlanje New Year, it's your day. Ungibe i-track top irongo Bobzini, because in a one it should have 2 stars. Xa ndiphinde ndikubona ngicela ubona ibe ine 2 stars mhlobam.
Next season.
Yanithembisa. Xa ndiphinde ndikubona unxibe
But uma ungaya la small ungayithola seyinama star 2.
esimolo wasayifaka mhlobam kwangomso.
Nakusasa ungayithola inama star 2. So injalo mwana nami. Ithi ngibulisa amadoda la studio.
Yeah.
Ngibulise namona nami. Yeah, ngiyakuzwa ukuthi ukhuluma the way mhlawumbe injabulo ingakhona. Awusho ukuthi injabulo ekhona la studio injani. Because akekho umuntu ongajabulanga la studio.
Akho umuntu ongajabulanga, wonke umuntu ujabulile.
Ngibonile nje uma baloko ba Mr mngani wami ngiyabona ukuthi lokho zibamba ikhanda ngithi eish usheni uyayifuna lento ibemzansi. I know. Kubonisa uthando wena Shane ebholeni lasemzansi. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi iSundowns for mina Shane dala iloko iku CAF Champions League iba consistent. But ekugcineni iluzile ifinal last season iyabuya manje Shane ibuyela kuleya CAF Champions League. I think ba rectify lawo ma mistake engicabanga ukuthi bawayenzile last, and nakhona nje even though ubona la ma mistake afana nalawa sometimes ne quality opponent iyakwenza ukuthi ekugcineni nama mistake uma wenzile uwalungise. Because uma ungabheka la ma mistake abawenzile today abadlali beSundowns, if uthola ama team afana nabo Pyramids uyayiluza le trophy Shane. So ngicabanga ukuthi kumele ngibabongise Shane, ngicale ngemanagement ya le qembu Shane. Ngicabanga ukuthi Mamelodi Sundowns management they understand their assignment, because kunala khona abalandeli beMamelodi Sundowns bebamdinga uCoach Cardoso ukuthi ngabe abeke phansi kuMamelodi Sundowns, but abazange bafuna ukuvumelana nabalandeli because they understand ukuthi bona bayi management. Kukhona abakubonayo abalandeli bangakuboni. So ngicabanga ukuthi kumele sibanikeze credit Shane. Uchairman uThlopi nelithimba lakhe nalo lapha ku board ngicabanga ukuthi bathatha ama decision right Shane. Ngayikhohli technical team, Coach Cardoso nama assistant wakhe bonke nje abantu abadlale le ndima Shane ukuthi Sundowns ikhona ukuthi ithole le CAF Champions League, because it's 2 out of 4 manje. Idlala kayi4 ama finals ikwazi ukuphumelela twice. So for me ngicabanga ukuthi it's 50-50. So let's give them credit Shane. Coach Cardoso ngicabanga ukuthi yes, we losile ileague la khona iSundowns iwine 8 in a row, but ubambi big fish Shane. Ubambi big fish today ilento ngicabanga ukuthi kuleya mandate anikezwe yona I think i-priority beyila Shane ukuthi okay sicela usilethele i-CAF Champions League. Mina Shane the way adlale ngakhona uCoach Cardoso la CAF Champions League unama finals awu 3 la eAfrica. Uluza u2 one ku-Esperance one ku-Sundowns namhlanje siyambona ukuthi uyaphumelela Shane. So ngibanikeze Shane le credit ngingabavaleli ngaphandle the players Shane I think this season basebenze kanzima Shane ukuze bafike la bakhona akuzange kube lula for iSundowns ukuthi labadlali bangasithola baphakamisa leyandebe ye-CAF Champions League. I think they deserve Shane everyone like the supporters eMamelodi Sundowns laba bekhona ukuthi banikeze isupport kuleya team namanje nje bheka abalandeli abalalanga Shane bahambile baye Morocco kuyosupporta leya team naba ngeke bavalele ngaphandle Shane. Pick up ngicabanga ukuthi next season bayobuya nge full force babuye ukuthi balwele ukuthi ku defendwe le ndebe ye CAF Champions League Shane. So angifuni ukuthi kube khona abantu esibashiyayo baningi abantu abasebenza behind the scene kuSundowns esingeke sibabone but ngicabanga ukuthi benza umsebenzi omuhle Shane kule 10 years ukuthi iSundowns manje ithola iphumelela ku CAF Champions League.
Masike nemidlalo lebobuzini umdlalo namhlanje second leg ubone njani?
Yeah Shane hey it was tough ngana it was not easy for their game because bengicabanga ukuthi iSundowns izothola igoli before iESFA but uma ungabheka the way bafight ngakhona amajida Shane pretty quality kubotebza Shane angifuni ukukutshela manga kulabadlali abakhona la eSouth Africa bonke mabangacala bathi sicela ukeep i-first 11 umdlalo oqala ungamlanda for me uTebza Mrembula that guy Shane ukunikeza yonke into kunala ngimbone khona first half la khona uku-overtake uJayden ahamba ayo intercept ayo clear amabhola abuya bekhona ku attack so yena no Jayden Adams ngiyacabanga ukuthi the understanding ekhona i midfield ngicabanga ukuthi benza into right kakhulu Shane because uma ungabheka uJayden if uTebza ahambile uyakwazi ukuthi okay mina kumele ngiremain as a 8 as a 6 uma ngabe uTebza yazi ukuthi uJayden ube involve mhlawumbe ku attack uyazi ukuthi mina kumele ngiremain ngidlale as a 6 so ithi ngibabongise Shane Sundowns iqale kahle la khona ngibona ngathi beyifuna ukuthi ngcono idominate i-ball position but lamajita first half beba deserve Shane the way bebadlala ngakhona eSFA bekuyiba abantu abadeserve ukuthi bangathola igoli the way baqale ngakhona because Sundowns kunala khona igcine yalahleka khona ngabona ukuthi now lamajita safikile Shane bafuna ukuthola lelo goli and labasebenzela because the two midfield lamajita labadlala laphakathi bebangavumi Sundowns ukuthi i-build up that is why bobona kube ne-goal kick la uRonwen kubela thatha ibhola likhahlele because bebazama ukuthi bangavumi uTebza noJayden ba-start leya play bebapressa laba abadlala ukuthi banga-start leya play so ngicabanga ukuthi bekuyinto right for bona i-game plan yabo but abakwazi Shane ukuthi bangafuna ukucombine ama-passes bafuna ukudlala wide uma bafuna ukudlala wide baletha amabhola kuphi eboxini so that bakwazi ukuthi ba contest aerial because babonakala ngathi ba good but good defending good defense eMamelodi Sundowns so ngicabanga ukuthi first half mina Shane iSundowns ayizange ibonakale ngendlela ngicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe bebangathola igoli early yes kube khona nama moment la ngicabanga ukuthi bavela khona but iESFA beyingenhla kuSundowns yes kunala ngibone khona uma siya ku half time i-ball position iSundowns ivuna but uma ungabheka i-team ebeyithembisa iyo FC Rabat ku first half ukuthi bangathola la goal but Mamelodi Sundowns they came back bheka ngendlela ngitshela ngakhona aboTebza aboJayden ubheka uMatthews he played very well Shane i-defense eMamelodi Sundowns unfortunately ulunga Shane ube nokukhohlwa ngifuna ukukutshela uma uyi-defender i-mistake ozoyenza ukuthi i-team bayipunish but after qeda ukwenza leya penalty Shane ngiyasho ngithi if awuhlulekile ukuscanner ibhola uma lifika Shane ungamane wenza i-corner kick into ekumele uyenze because uhlulekile ukuscanner ubona ukuthi emva kunobani but uma wenze extra touch eboxini i-players ofika vele sometimes abanye bafika bakushaye nge-shoulder baziwinele leya bhola so ngicabanga ukuthi ama-mistake afana nalawo ama-mistake kumele ukuthi as a defender ukwazi ukuthi le stage engidlala kuso i-stage esinjani it's a CAF Champions League final Shane kumele ukuthi ama-mistake kube i-mistake oyibonayo ukuthi akusiyi mistake elula nje kunama mistake vele kumele siwayenze ukuthi i-opponent ikwazi ukupunisha so ngicabanga ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns Shane ngendlela idlale ngakhona second half ila sengicabanga khona ukuthi now sebayayifuna lento because bobona aboTebza the way ba aggressive ngakhona ubheka i-defense yabo njengoba ngitshela ngithi basebenzile kakhulu Shane abo Matthews usebenze kakhulu yamchita Shane. That's why abanye abantu angeke umbone uMatthews ukuthi umsebenzi wakhe yini. But ekugcineni uzombona when Sundowns attack Matthews is there. When Sundowns defend banoluhlako. That's why bebabuya baba limit ku creativity. Azange sibe ni creativity. Umuntu obeka off Nuno. Nuno was off because beyimshaya Shane. Uma ngabheka beka lose ama ball and uyahluleka nokumarka. So ngicabanga ukuthi bekumdlali ebekumele ngabe mhlambe bamkhiphe early but good substitute kulo uCarlos. Ama sub wakhe awalethile amsebenzele Shane. Ngicale ngo Matthews. Ubheke uAlende. Ubheke Mthiba. Mthiba played very well Shane. Played very well. uCarlos understand ukuthi now I need someone ozongwinela amabhola up front. I know ukuthi lamajita azokhuphuka ubani lentwana le uKasim lentwana edlala left back. Yo Shane, I what a player Shane. Quality. Ama jewels awawinile lo mjita lo. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi uwina ama jewels plus or minus 90%. So kusho wona ukuthi le quality lapha kule left back inhle kakhulu Shane because beka ngayi wide because ama invect ukuthi okay ngcono ngene phakathi because kune space lapha phakathi uma boTebs abaphindela bamnikeze ispace ukuthi babiyele emuva. So yeah Shane ngiyacabanga ukuthi be deserve Sundowns ukuthi iwine Shane. No Ronza sibonile enze mistake but ekugcineni uya rectify le mistake. So well deserved for Imamelodi Sundowns. I think kunesikhathi Shane bayilindile lento.
Bobzin unfortunately mhlobam uyayazi yami inhloko andinxibi into enhloko Bobzin ndihlala ndinje ngende ukutholela unqwazi mhlobam but ke anxibi into enhloko ndihlala ndinje so akho nto ndizoyikhulula but congratulations mhlobam. Well deserved second star CAF Champions League. You've been looking to win it.
Kusukuthini kulama team la South Africa uma iSundowns ine second star? Uma ungayichaza nje wena Shane.
Khona ufuna ngixalela mhlobam.
No, ngibuza wena ukuthi uma ngabe iSundowns ine second star manje kusukuthini kulamaqembu akhona wase South Africa especially the big teams.
Tell me what you want to tell me mhlobam and I will agree with you. Noba indona I will agree with you.
It's a challenge.
What
either kuba ne team ezofaka i-second star kube ne team ezoba ne star so two big teams Orlando Pirates and Kaizer Chiefs. I think ama team engicabanga ukuthi nawo bazoyijoin iMamelodi Sundowns Shane. Manje ukuba we Sundowns ne star esi2 anikeni kusibiza ngama 57 ake usibize nge big team Shane. Usho ukuthi Sundowns a big team. We conquer iAfrica Shane today. We are the best team in Africa. So why ungasibizi nge big team uloku sibiza nge 57?
Only big team now obviously. You guys are the big team.
Big team.
Yeah, you are.
Thank you Shane.
I mean winning CAF Champions League you are the big team.
Ngiyabonga Shane and iSundowns for ukulifta le trophy today. Already disqualified ukuyodlala iFIFA Club World Cup 3 times. And uma ngikhumbula kahle kuSADC angazi ungikhumbuze ukuthi bangaka ama team mhlambe akwazi ukuqualifyela ukuyodlala iFIFA Club World Cup. Shane lento leisho likhulu eSouth Africa.
Yeah.
Ayisho ukuthi abalandeli beSundowns kumele babhekela amanye ama team phansi but kusho ukuthi istandard se football sase South Africa Shane kumele ihlonishwe iSouth Africa Shane because kunama team esikwazi ukuthi ayakwazi ukuyomela le country continentally and internationally. So ngicabanga ukuthi Shane Kaizer Chiefs and Mamelodi Sundowns and Orlando Pirates one ikhona ku confed one ikhona CAF Champions League. I hope yonke into izohamba kahle 3 teams babuyele ku CAF Shane benze kahle next season.
Well bazodlala iCAF next season Bobzin and it's confirmed. Well that's it. That's how we conclude this season, 2025-2026. Started last year, I think it was July, pre-season. Sangena August, kusaqala i-season eBetway Premiership. Saya ko September, sadlala i-M10 8, there were winners who were crowned. Saya ko November, kwadlala i-Carling Knockout Cup, there were winners who were crowned. Kwaqalisa February, Nedbank Cup, up until May, and then there was also another cup final that had to be played, and then also there had to be a winner. Saqukumbela le season yeBetway Premiership izolo nalapho there had to be a winner. Saqukumbela again another season yeCAF Champions League where namhlanje there was a winner and low winner came from this country eMzansi Africa. Mamelodi Sundowns have 2 stars phezu kwebadge yabo and they are the CAF Champions League winners for this season ka 2025-2026. From all of us here at Diski TV, siyabulela ngenkxaso yenu, siyabulela ngothando lwenu, siyabulela ngecriticism ngayo yonke into, siyanithanda ninjalo. Nakasidibana nendleleni Jongwani, siyanithanda, sicela ukuthi niqhubeke again next season, nibuye nathi nizosupporta because ngaphandle kwenu nathi asinoba nayo reason ukuthi sime abaphambi kwenu siniphathele imidlalo. We know ke opinions they will always differ. Asoze siyibone ngokufanayo le bhola, that's why kuthiwa iyaqenqeleka. Nakayingena imnethina isoloku ingena straight, iyakwazi ukungena ku top corner, iyakwazi ukungena ku bottom corner, iyakwazi ukuthi ibe yi-penalty ibe ngapha kwebox kuthiwe no ikhonjwe ngaphakathi emgcina. I've seen those given. So indlela lebhola eyiyo leyo, so asisisoloko sivumelana, asisuthandana sonke. Bazaba khona kabathi no man andithandanga indlela othethe ngayo ngohlobo oluthile, but ekugqibeleni si-unitedwa into eyi-one, yi-football. And londo akunyanzelekanga ila kufuneki isenze ukuthi sizondane because of i-football, because ekugqibeleni akho club ekhaya, akho club kokwenu, sitshetshelele football. Masithandaneni, masiqhubeke again, masiyena again bafana sisupport, sikhumbule ukuthi nge-11 kaJune iyasuka sabe sikhona eDiski TV, sabe sikhona siniphathelele imidlalo bafana ikhona ku-World Cup for the first time since 2010. So izindaba ezimnandi sabe sikhona eDiski TV nge-11 nange-18 nange-25 bafana iyadlala. Even this coming Friday sabe sikhona siniphathelele la mdlalo we-friendly game uzobadlala pha ke Amstel, Orlando Amstel Arena. I-stadium noko sinendebe ezintathu this season, but decided ukuthi mayodlalwa pha. Mhlawumbi they need to change it bobuzini bayise Loftus because there's a bigger cup.
No, you're right, Arena. Ayidlale Arena Shane.
Let's close it. From myself and Song up in studio, enkosi kakhulu ngesupport, and thank you so much for watching iDiski TV.
Uyazi lengwenya leya. Seyivala nje.
Kubani lo mhlobo?
Hey, lengwenya ifunile ukuzondisa ngabantu masithi no mayihlale lo. Ukhadoso. No, ngiyambongela coach, my coach. Ungamangala uthi wangibiza ukhadoso. Hey, kubanzima la stratini. Uzaba ngikhomba ngemini uthi ufike egarage but kanti wena ukhadoso ukunikezeni wena. Wayefuna ukhadoso ahlale. So, but siyambongela coach Khadoso. Ngicabanga ukuthi uyayideserve Shane. Thank you.
Masivale bobuzini. Thank you so much for watching iDiski TV.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to iDiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe iDiski TV.